Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to log into your Rakuten account. First of all, tap open your Rakuten app. After that, you'll be in a page interface something like this. Then in the right lower corner, you can see an account icon. You have to tap on that. After tapping, you'll be redirected to this page. You can see a join now button. So you'll have to scroll a bit. After scrolling in the bottom of your page, you can see sign in option besides already have an account question. Tap on sign in. Then you'll be redirected to this page. Then you can write your email and password you used before to make an Rakuten account. After typing in your email and password, you have to tap the sign in option. After tapping, you will be redirected to this page automatically and you can turn on notification if you want to. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.